currently on my end, what I'm doing, I'm planning an event where all proceedings go back to people on the ground. Um, they I'm not gonna send anything to any charity or anything like that.
Binds! I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Get me here with another reaction. Ooh. Isn't it good to be back? Of course, it's good to be back. Yes, I took some break because I needed some break with what going on Jamaican thing. We'll see you head just all over the place. Take some break, but we're there again. Wagwan, yeah man. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, yeah man. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with 10 times stronger. Big up yourself, lab boss. Big up yourself, therapist. Big up yourself, therapist. Jump in the one and see what going on, man. Lab boss and 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, yeah man. 10 times stronger. Let's go. Representing with the flag on your head, my G. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself. Your production, this.
Now when the struggles come over and over, they're firm like soldier. We not give up, we fight and conquer. Still a count where you lose, you can't see where you gain. More than roof will last in the rain.
Bumbo clock.
Heart still in a pain. Big guy, don't care what the...
That's on the G there. I was waiting for it. I was waiting for it, bro. I was waiting for this. I just knew 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 would do this. Oh, Shane, big up yourself. You shot the visual. Ready?
Still a count where you lose, you can't see where you gain. More than roof will last in the rain.
You see? So him tell us say, yo, you still a count where you lose, you can't see where you gain. So you think backwards. Be appreciative for what you have. Be appreciative. Man say you are more than roof will last in the rain, bro.
Where you lose, you can't see where you gain. More than roof will last in the rain. Heart still in a pain. Big guys don't care, me talk it every day.
Yeah.
Rough but me have to carry on. Still can't see the calm after the storm.
Although Melissa pass and gone, him still can't see the calm and fight. Him say bigger heads than mean we no good. Bigger heads are pussy. And him say him talk it every day. And I say Salama.
Rough but me have to carry on. Still can't see the calm after the storm. Still can't see calm after the storm. We there about me must smell the past. We are feel pain no longer, but we are gonna rise 10 times stronger. We not give up, we fight and conquer. And now when trouble come over and over, we there firm like soldier. We not give up, we fight and conquer. And we are gonna rise 10 times stronger.
Straight.
Obstacle can't stop progress. Man play small but so blessed, no stress. Help out people when homeless. Me now for even know them. Trouble.
Yeah, man, help out people homeless, man. You know, if you know them, you just come together as one. The one Jamaica, man. You just come together as one. You see me? Right now, that's time you make enough enemy turn friends, bro. Man, I tell you, cause there's nothing you can do but to seek help and help others. You see me?
People when homeless. Me now for even know them. Trouble ever knock on your door yet. I see through your rooftop and your floor wet.
Pussy clot. Yo, every time I talk about the situation we're going to Jamaica, yo, it fuck up my meds, bro. Like, yo, get so emotional, I swear. And that's why one of the main reasons why I haven't done any videos are nothing on this, bro.
Trouble ever knock on your door yet. I see through your rooftop and your floor wet. You can't hear from one of your brother. Light gone, water no come home yet.
You hear that? At the situation that Jamaica in right now, most of especially Western Jamaica, when you look up, you see me, rain a fall, brother, and you look up and your floor wet, dog. You see me, light gone, water no come home yet. Yo.
You can't hear from one of your brother. Light gone, water no come home yet. Still a count where you lose, you can't see where you gain. More than roof will last in the rain, yeah. Heart still in a pain. But all when trouble come over and over, They are firm like soldier. We not give up, we fight and conquer. And we are gonna rise 10 times stronger.
All right. The first part of the song when him say you see that count where you lose, you can't see where you gain. I interpreted that wrong based on the song. The reason why I said that in the first place, when I say people ungrateful and thing, the reason why I said that because normally people will consider them glass half empty rather than half full. And what that means is a person will have it all and still want more. And don't you say, yo, and next man don't have it. Don't have nothing at all. You understand? So, but based on this, what he's saying is you lose so much. And you ask yourself, why you lose it? Like, what that's for you? Me can't see the reason. Coming again, nothing, bro. Like, me lose so much. Yo.
We not give up, we fight and conquer. And we are gonna rise 10 times stronger. Jobless for my rise again. And big up everyone we try for you.
Yeah, big up.
The skies might clear up. But I raining at the people, them eyes again. Imagine somebody will lose, somebody will beside of them. Imagine you lose everything and still a smile, my friend. Now post what we do, forget the nice comments. And just lock up inside a man.
Yeah.
Rough but me have to carry on. Still can't see calm after the storm. Still can't see calm after the storm. Yeah, we there so but members is for the past. I feel pain all along down, but we are gonna rise 10 times stronger. Now give up, we fight and conquer. Now when trouble come over and over, they are firm like soldier. We now give up, we fight and conquer. And we are gonna rise 10 times stronger. 10 times stronger.
Powerful, Benji, powerful.
We are gonna rise 10 times stronger. Fight and conquer.
10 times stronger. Bumbo clot. What you mean? Prayer for Jamaica. Yes, man. Jamaican resilience run deep in our veins. No matter what the challenge, we rise with pride, move with purpose, and shine. Yes, with unstoppable spirit. Yeah, we don't just survive, we thrive. Yeah, they say it there. That's the message. You know that. Shane, big up yourself. Or Shane, big up yourself, my G. Young G's, your production list. Great production. It's needed. Labas. What can I say? Labas is Labas, bro. Yeah, Labas is that artist, bro. You see me? Yeah. So, other people, them, we got affected badly. Art goes out. Currently, on my end, what I'm doing, I'm planning an event where all proceedings go back to people on the ground. I'm not gonna send anything to any charity or anything like that. Proceedings from that event, so I'm just planning it properly. Try to get as much people on board as possible, and our proceedings go to people that's on the ground. Yes, on the ground, where me know personally, where me know said once I'm on they reach a person there, that person they can make. Who forget the help, get the help, because there's communities that's cut off on the west where people cannot get to. I'm not from the west, but I have a connection in the west. I have a friend in the west, same way. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. But I'll keep you guys updated anyway. Yeah, the first time I mentioned it, I've been planning it. But I just need to put a few more things in place. And then yeah. So if anybody want to contribute to that in itself, at a later date, I can give you information. So just let me know. Reach out to me on Instagram and let me know. Say, yo, when the time is right, you want to do a donation. And yeah, but just know, say it's not going to any charity. It's going to people on the ground. You understand? My family wasn't affected as much. Them good. Just friend them in the west. So if there's anybody from the west, or not even forward from the west, if you want to contribute something to make it go to somebody on the ground who I trust, then but by all means you don't have to. But yeah, every little helps, see me, you know. But yeah, that is what I'm doing at the moment. So yeah, big up on yourself still. Big up on yourself and go and stay strong, Jamaica. You hear that? Yeah. Labas, big up. Young G's, big up yourself. I'm out.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, rock on earth.